Everyone, this is Dr. Cole with Political Science 1013, Week 1 for the summer 2020 8-week term. Just to go over a few things, there will be 4 exams. There will be an exam every 2 weeks. You may also do a term paper, which can go in place of one of your exams, any of the exams except the final, which everybody has to take. I just got out a list of term paper topics, a message about the term paper with a list of topics attached. It's up to you whether to do that. If you do, it gives you a chance to drop a low grade. The grade will be figured on the basis of 400 points. You can earn a 25-point attendance bonus if you log on to the course website at least 15 times over the course of the term, from now until the middle of August. It's very important that you familiarize yourself with the content area of the course website. I believe that will be found in the upper left as you look at the course homepage. Click on Content, and that will take you to the class notes files, which is the material I put on the course website in place of in-class lectures for our online course. You'll find a set of class notes for each of the 8 units of the course. Okay. Each of the 4 exams will cover 2 units. The class notes are in the form of a PowerPoint presentation that's been converted into a Microsoft Word file and a PDF, and you can look at it in any of those formats. The content should be the same in each one. That's what we do in place of an in-class lecture for our online course. For your exams, you'll be responsible for the class notes for 2 units for each exam. There will be some material, a few items based on the chapters to be read from the textbook. And for each exam, I will provide you with links to articles to be accessed online, and a good many of your test items will be based on those. 15 to 20 for a 50-item exam, true, false, and multiple choice, with just a few from the textbook and the rest based on the class notes. So we have 4 of those exams over the course of the term. So you should be familiar with what's in the contents area of the course website. There are class notes there for each of the 8 units of the course, and that's what we do in place of in-class lectures in this online course. I plan to conduct an online chat before every exam, and we'll be getting information out to you about how to access that. In the contents area, you'll see a link to online chat. These chats will take place a day or 2 before the exam for 45 minutes at a time. So, that in a nutshell is what we'll be doing in our course. There are 4 exams, plus you may do a term paper, and you can earn an attendance bonus. The syllabus is in the content area, in the area marked Course Home, and that also should have been attached to an email to you that you should have received. So be sure and look at that. It only runs a couple of pages, and that will give you all the rules and regulations for our course. Basically, it's 4 exams plus a term paper plus an attendance bonus that you can earn. If you do a term paper, you can drop one of your exam grades, any exam except the final. I also wanted to say that I know we've had quite a bit of upheaval the past 3 or 4 months, going back to March, with the coronavirus pandemic, the lockdowns that we've had, and then after that, the killing of George Floyd and the protests and civil unrest that has followed upon that. That's all very important. The course is not about the pandemic, nor is it about the killing of George Floyd and the protests that followed upon that, but that's very important and we will have to touch upon them. The problem is it's all happened within the last few weeks, and it's all unfolding, and it's uncertain what the implications are going to be. I'll have a little better idea, I suppose, toward the end of the term, when I plan to say more about all this at the very end of the course. You will notice, though, in the articles I've assigned to you for the first exam, 4 articles to be accessed online, they all touch on either the coronavirus or the protests to one extent or another. So I hope you'll take a look at that, and I hope that'll be of interest to you. So, our first exam is coming up right after the first, Thursday, July 2nd. We'll have an online chat in advance of that. And in the meantime, I can always be reached at david.cole@opsu.edu. So please contact me with any questions you may have, and good luck in Political Science 1013 for the summer 2020 8-week term. Take it easy.